It's been amazing to have him and his team on board with us, literally from inception, to say, if you guys can make a vehicle that has a body structure with only 4 parts, you are going to revolutionize transportation. If you guys can make this vehicle with simple build assemblies that you bring to a final assembly plant and just put them together, you will be masters of the supply chain. And it's just been great wisdom all along, every step of the way, and I can't be happier to have Sandy here today to celebrate the unveiling of our latest vehicle. So please welcome Sandy Monroe to take the place. Thank you, sir.
Well, I'd like to first off maybe echo the words. I'm really, really happy to be here. I'm also very happy to be associated with the latest and greatest of all the iconic vehicles that have come out. There's only a few that can be identified by their name. The Model T, nobody has to say Ford. The Beetle, nobody has to say VW. And the Mini, nobody has to say BMW. And now we've got the Aptera. That is an iconic vehicle, and you all, I'm sure most of you have got money in this thing just like I do. You all are a part of a revolution. It's the only word I can think of. A revolution that's probably going to take the 20th century, whatever you call that, the 21st century, whatever century it is, I don't know. But anyways, this is gonna really be the vehicle that everybody's going to point at forever. It's got an iconic style. It's got an iconic, brand new iconic drive system, solar system. Everything about it says that this is the car for our times. So I'm very happy to be here, and I hope you guys are really going to enjoy the new reveal that you're about to see here. So anyway, thank you very much for coming, and make sure you tell your friends to invest.
Thanks, Andy. It's amazing the progress we've made with Sandy's help, and the culmination of 3.5 years of engineering and effort by our wonderful team here. From the MES system to the electrical engineers to the chassis and body engineers and aerodynamics and thermal systems. Like it's all had to come together to present to you our latest iteration of our vehicle, Gamma. We are excited to show you our progress, and we hope you know that we're building on that progress. We're going to drive Gamma in here in a couple seconds, but I hope you know that we penciled that design months and months ago. And now we're almost done penciling the Delta design, and that will be our production intent vehicle, and we hope to show you that very, very soon. So thank you for all your support to get to this tremendous milestone, and I present to you Gamma.